So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
So today we have a topic for group discussion. What is the topic, Christy?
Is Indian culture decaying?
Is India culture या Indian culture decaying? Okay? Means इंडिया का कल्चर क्या हो रहा है? डिके हो रहा है. मीन्स कमजोर होता जा रहा है या घटता जा रहा है. कई सारी प्रॉब्लम्स इंडिया फेस कर रहा है कल्चर को लेके. ओके, एक्चुअली वी नो, एक्चुअली इन ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड अवर इंडिया नोज जस्ट लाइक एन वी हैव एन रिच कल्चर. हमारे पास क्या है? रिच कल्चर है. तो मतलब कल्चर क्या होता है? हमारी संस्कृति. ओके, सो जस्ट यू हैव टू डिस्कस ऑन दिस टॉपिक. Who will initiate? Okay, so Manvi, you will initiate.
So hello everyone, I am Manvi Shishodia. I want to say about yes, in my opinion, yes, Indian culture is decaying.
What is the topic name and what is it?
So our topic name is Indian culture decaying. So culture is like that thing which is in our country, and like a culture is that thing which is a national thing, like our language, our traditional dresses, and a lot of things. It is included in culture, and in my opinion, yes, Indian culture is decaying because a lot of things which is the Indian person are not doing, like our language. There are a lot of people who start to speak English and they left to speak Hindi, but it is our national language. We have to try to speak Hindi, because if we are not doing this, so who is stopped to decaying our culture? And that's a very important thing to stop this. And there are lots of things which are like we dress that thing which is not in our traditional and not included in our traditional things, so that's not good for us, good for our culture.
Yes.
So, good evening to all of you. I am Paridhi, and today we are here to do a group discussion. That is, the topic is Indian culture decaying? So, yes, Indian culture is decaying because the Indian culture is decaying. Like we are adapting the habits of other country, like
The girls point.
like
Okay.
clothing. We wear the clothes that have come from foreigners, and our traditional clothes are like sari, kurtas, and etc. We don't wear it in our daily life, but in the past time people used to wear it in daily, and we have seen like our grandfathers who wear kurtas daily, etc. And like a food change, our food is like dal bati and samosa, etc. But today we are eating the food of foreign countries, like pizza, that is food from Italy. We like to eat that, but we don't like to eat ours food.
So yeah, I am totally agree with Manvi and Paridhi, and yes, I also think that nowadays India is observing the culture of other countries. They are not observing that much of Indian culture, and also we can see the dresses. We are also wearing other dresses of foreigners, and as we are talking in English here, doing a discussion, so it is not bad that we are talking in English, but we should also have proper knowledge for our India, and for also the culture of India. And as we are doing a very nice learning, talking, reading in English, so we should also be very nice in a Hindi language, just like many means most of the students do write some mistakes in the doing Hindi writing, and also in reading. So we should also improve our Indian culture.
So yeah, I agree with everyone. Everyone told that everyone is not following the culture of India, and Indian culture is having so many type of culture, various cultures are there in India. Like there is in every part of India there is a different culture and tradition. Like we can take an example of Madhya Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, and so many places. Like in Madhya Pradesh, we are wearing normal, casual sari and things. In Jammu, they are wearing a ghangra, and in Punjab, they are wearing salwar, and in the Odisha, they are wearing Sambalpuri sari and all the things. So, as they are following their culture, so we should also follow our culture. As our topic was, is Indian culture decaying? So, according to me, yes, it is decaying, because as we all can see, we are wearing our casual dresses which other country people wear. As everyone told that India is following the other culture of other country, and as Christy told about the language, so yeah, we are also speaking in English over here, but we are speaking in Hindi in our daily life also. So we should always be continue with our culture.
So yeah, I also agree with all the girls. So in my opinion, I think our Indian cultural is decaying actually, because the foreign cultural, the foreign people are also trying to accept our Indian culture. Like there is a very big example in Vrindavan. They are trying to be Hindu, but the people of India are not even interested in it, and they are accepting the Western culture. Even they are also interested in the Indian culture. Then also they are not getting it, but they seems that the Western culture is more important than India, but it's not that thing, because the culture of India is its history. It's and in if we take if we call it in Hindi as Sanskriti, and it's very important for us, because it proves our personality also, that we are Indian. Because if we go somewhere and we see anyone else who is wearing like kurta, sari, or any other thing which is related to Indian culture, so we can easily find out him or her that he is from India or not. And if we talk, and as Christy and Tejal said about the language, so yeah, I agree with them, because nowadays it's in school also they are giving very much privacy. They are giving very importance to the other languages like French, English, and etc. They are not focusing more on Hindi, so they should focus more on Hindi as well.
Yes, I am agree with your point. Our India is decaying culture. All environmental degradation and seeking politics have become the norm. And India culture is one of the oldest of all the cultures of the world. Our India culture remain to be peaceful, humble, and respect to others in society. And our culture are like religious, architecture, food, art, clothing, festivals, and many more.
Yeah, I am agree with because she said that uh, sari, our dress is sari, but some people not follow that, uh, and our cultural capital is Kolkata.
And as she told, and all the girls told, and now I am going to tell one more thing that come to my mind is that when I have some videos that come to me. In that I saw some foreigners or the other country people, they came to India and they started following Indian culture. They were wearing sari, lehenga, and they were moving in Vrindavan, and they became a very nice and devotee of Shri Krishna. And I think we should see them, observe many things from them. And and we should also we should also join them, and I think we should do less use of other countries' culture. We should and as we all know that India is a very religious country, so we should also follow the rules of a religious country.
So yes, I am agree with Christy, because as she said, yes, it is true that the other foreigners follow the above. Our foreigner follows the above religious and culture of the India. It is very good things to us, because we are not following our culture, but the foreigner follow the culture of India, and they are totally spend their all time with the God Krishna and all the gods. So now I want to give.
So I have seen so many times that nowadays Indian girls are trying to wear traditional clothes, and in the conclusion I want to say that we should follow our culture only.
So please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.